there everybody. I can probably say that I am the most excited about this yarn than I have been about any yarn for quite a while, because if you followed me for a while you will know that my love affair with the Hayfield Spirit in this Sundown colourway started quite a long time ago, and I'm still just as obsessed with it now as I was back then. But they've made it even better now because they have made it in a chunky version. So again, if you followed me, you know that I will always go for a chunky yarn over anything else if I can help it, because it works up so much quicker. And yeah, I just absolutely love a chunky yarn. So the fact that they now do some of their spirit shades in a chunky yarn was very exciting news to me. So it's not just the Sundown that you can get in this new chunky version, there are lots of other shades as well. So if you've got other favourite spirit shades, then you might just want to go and see whether they're available in the chunky as well. So as always, I've bought my Hayfield Spirit from Snufflebean Yarn, and I will leave all of her information down below so that you can buy this particular yarn for yourself, but she also obviously has lots and lots of other things. So it's exactly the same when it comes to what it's made up of and everything like that as the normal version. So obviously it's 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and there are 155 meters in this 100-gram ball. So that's all I have to tell you really, apart from I will join you for another video very soon when I am using this. So I've got this, and I've also bought lots of chunky white as well, and I'm going to make some sort of colour pop blanket. Now obviously that's not the official name, but there is something in my mind which I will be, it just makes me think of bright and colourful and bubbles and all kinds of things. So that will be coming really soon as well. But I just wanted to introduce you to the new amazing chunky variety of the Hayfield Spirit. But I will see you for a normal tutorial very soon.